George Show.
Man, I'm bored. I wonder what I should do. I know something. I will go put the smoke alarm on. Ha 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 ha.
Good, let's go.
Alright, let's turn on the smoke alarm. Alright, let's go back to my room.
Hey, what's going on? Why is the smoke alarm going off? I'm going to turn it off. There, I turned it off. I even putted the smoke alarm on anyway. Oh, that bitch. David. Get the fuck in my bedroom right now.
Yes, Dad.
David, did you put the smoke alarm on? Tell me now.
No, Daddy.
David, stop being innocent and being weird, and tell the truth, now.
Fuck. Yes.
Oh my fucking god, David. How motherfucking dare you put on the smoke alarm? You do realize you scared me half to death, because I thought there was a fire going on, but no, it was a harmless prank. That is so fucking it. You are motherfucking grounded for life. And it's time for your ass beatings.
Oh fuck no, not the ass beatings.
Too bad. Yo ass is mine.
My ass hurts.
I don't fucking care, that's what you get for doing bad stuff all the time. Now go to your motherfucking room now, you cunt.
Hey, stop fucking laughing and cheering. It's not fucking funny at all, you fucking cunts. God damn it, I hate my fucking life so much.
Fuck! Squeak, squeak. David, shut the fuck up. Well, so long everyone. See you all next time. Goodbye.